Hello YouTube, this is my 2012 United RN3 Recruit. I have a purple United RN3 hub. Back to, let's see. I have Weed People grip tire. Weed People United RN3 forks. United stem. United stock handlebars. Fit grips. United bar ends. Got hole. United RN3 frame. It's all white. Got this extra plate of metal here with the United logo. I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. United seat that I bought by myself. E-clap pedals. United cranks. A 12 or 25 tooth sprocket. United no name brand chain. I have a stock United tire. Purple hub. I have a Eclat. No, not Eclat. I don't know what it's called. I can't remember the name, but purple seat post. United headset. And that's my bike check.